Hey, rail fans and model railroaders. Welcome to a special edition episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve and Roxy.
So we are fast approaching that 500 subscriber milestone, so we thought we'd go ahead and have a giveaway to mark the occasion. Now, being as we do a lot of 3D printing on our layout, we thought what better prizes to have than 3D printed gifts.
We're making these kits in HO and N scale, and we'll have 3 prizes in each scale.
The third runner-up will win one of these deluxe 3D printed signal boxes, perfect for setting next to one of your turnouts.
The second runner-up will receive one of these grain bins, perfect for farm and country scenes.
And then the grand prize winners are going to receive these deluxe grain kits. You'll receive a grain elevator, a single track shed for your train to go into, and then a truck shed for the deliveries. Now this is an N scale and HO scale.
So to enter the giveaway, you'll need to hit like on this video, make sure you're a subscriber to our channel, and send us an email to gettingbackontrackwithsteve@gmail.com and tell us what scale you model in and what your favorite video we've done is.
Now the deadline to enter the drawing is August the 24th.
And we'll be having a live show for the drawing on August 30th.
So don't delay in getting your entry in by August 24th to win one of these 6 prizes.
We're looking forward to spending time with you at our live show on August 30th.
But in the meantime, you guys have fun running your trains and working on your layouts.
Make sure you like and subscribe so you're notified of our next video.
And we'll see you next time here on Getting Back on Track with Steve
and Roxy. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.